Hi guys, and today I'm going to be playing some more Minecraft with Travis, or Inverse Buckle. So he's just trying to find a new skin to do. Obviously this is, sorry, wrong button, this is my skin. Oh, come on, let's go. So I said in a previous video that I would do a shout out every Minecraft video we did. And today's shout out is Leo Smith. So that's his YouTube channel. He hasn't done any videos yet. He might be doing some in the future. So there you go, Leo. You are on the shout outs wall. I need to put shout outs wall because someone wants to do it. Travis is still trying to find the skin. There we go. Alright, so shout out to Leo Smith today, or for this video. So whilst I haven't been doing a video, we have been building loads of things on this Minecraft world. So I believe you've seen this and you've seen the boat, but you haven't seen anything past this. So you've got basketball courts, so obviously basketball hoops and everything. Got football pitch, which I built. We've got McDonald's, which is it's okay. Looks like oh well. My camera's the wrong way. Yeah, there you go. Football pitch, yeah, and McDonald's. There we go. Then you got some sort of weird fountain that Jamie built. Then you got a beach. I tried to build a Japanese pagoda, but I didn't have enough space, so I turned it into a boxing area. So we've got a car park, and now we're going to be building. If you go, really, Travis is a bird, brilliant. So now, if you go past here and down here, we've got this massive area. Oh, shoot, we've got this massive area where we're gonna build here. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Travis, yeah, what are you going to be building though? What are we going to be building? We start thingy-majobby. What I said. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. So guys, we are actually going to let me restart that. We are really I cannot speak today. We are going to be building a job centre. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. I don't know, 3, I don't know. How the flip am I supposed to know that? That'll do. 4 be. Oh yeah, can you do that for me? Travis, you just do that. I can't bother. This is gonna be like the reception. We might have to do this in 2 parts for a video, Travis. If we start the first part today, and then we do the second part, like if we do both parts today on camera, and then I just put them both upload at the same time, it'll look like I've put. Oh, I don't even know. So Travis, we're gonna. If we do the reception like here, and then you build out doors, like double doors here, and we can build out, if you get what I mean. If we build oh yeah, we need to build it further out, don't we? There we go, that's how big we can do it. Alright, I'm just gonna grab some spruce. Are you using spruce or dark oak? I was about to say, are you using dark oak or spruce? Dark oak, here we go. We build the I might have to do this in 3 parts or something. Because if we do like the reception first in this episode, and then we do the reception, or we do like the lifts and things in the second episode, or if we do this floor in the first episode, and then the next floor in the next episode, and the next floor in the next episode. Do you get what I mean? Oh yeah. Where are you going to build reception? I'm going to build reception. Are you going to build like door? Is this going to be reception? This is reception, okay. So then if you build out, I'm not adding interior, I'm just adding the basic wall design. There you go. So you've got, if you sort that out, I'll sort this out. I might, just so they have extra room in the thing, I'll get some slab. What do you mean you need it? What? Alright, you sort that out then, I'll sort this bit out. There we go. How long is this removal? 6 minutes. Alright, we're going to be doing this for about 12 minutes or something like that. Yeah, that's per usual. I'll take that down to there, to that. What? And I might. Travis, this has got 2 spaces, this has got 3 spaces. I'm going to need to take this out one more. There we go. I've done my part. Yeah, good job as well. Yeah. Alright, yeah, put a quartz stairs there. I just made it with, Travis, I just made it with slabs. So like I've said with Travis, we're going to be doing the first part, we're going to be doing 3 parts to this. We're going to be doing the first part, so this part to this episode. And then we're going to build like stairs or a lift somehow going up to the second floor. And then like, or vice versa for all the floors. So however many parts there is, that's how many floors we're building. Because we're going to build a floor an episode. Or a floor a bid. This is good. And for you guys who like seeing my Minecraft videos, comment down below what else you would like us to build on this world, and we'll read all the comments and see if there's like, if there's a really good one, then we will build it. If we think it's really good. What have you done in there? Ah, cool. Okay. Oh no, I have to sort it. There we go. Yes. Yeah, I'm positive. What? Yeah, give me a minute. I'm doing something quick. I've got a stair design I want to try out. Can you play? Yeah, Chub, can you play some torches? Alright. So after we've built the stairs, Travis, I'm going to end the video and then we'll do the second part another time. I'm sorry this has been a kind of short video, guys, but... well, just because. So guys, this is first part of the... Oh, nah, stuff it. We're going for an extra long video. Because it's Minecraft, we're going for an extra long video this time, and because we're actually doing something useful. Alright, Trav, what are we going to do for the ground floor? What are you doing? What's this going to be? No, the stairs are going to be upstairs. I don't know. This is reception. Yeah, this could be like a sofa area. So, Travis, what we're going to do is we're going to have the offices on the top floor. This isn't going to be a job centre. This is going to be a office block. We're going to do the canteen on the middle area. On the middle floor, so second floor, and then the office is on the top floor. Do you get what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna just build the downstairs and then I'm gonna end it for part 1. Alright, so we'll just give you a quick run through of how the first floor looks. So you come outside, you've got 2 big windows. You've obviously got reception here. I'll need to put a sign on that in a minute. And then you've got stairs leading up to the second floor, which we're going to build in the next episode. And then you've got just a seating area for if you're like waiting for people. Let me just, where are they? Here they go. What are you doing? Alright, yeah, so you've got this seating area. Alright. Alright. This is gonna be the end of today's video, or this video. We'll be back with part 2 shortly. Bye.